Semi-automatic washing machine, economical, low water and energy consumption, involves manual effort, has both washing and drying functions. Capacity, 6.5 kilograms, suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. Manufacturer warranty, 2 years on product, 2 years on motor. 1300 rpm, higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. Included in box, washing machine unit inlet pipe, outlet pipe, owner's manual. For any query call, 180057268888. 1300 rpm, higher the spin speed, faster the drying time. Anti-rust body in burgundy color with a waterproof and shockproof panel.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,